It's 7 p.m. Hindi ko alam if may masasakyan pa kami. Hopefully, meron, mahangin, and maraming tao. That's good. Ha! We are in search for Jiangnan Hot Pot. Kasi may nakatira siya dyan. Porto po. Ilang minutes po? Sige po.
Ano sa'yo?
Gusto ko mag solo ribs plate A or plate B. Hindi ko alam kung anong side dish eh. Gulay, like mix na gulay. Or isang side dish lang siguro ako. Tsaka, gusto mo ba mag-soup? Meron silang soup eh. May chunky and creamy chicken tsaka cheese broccoli potato.
Yung chunky creamy chicken.
Chunky creamy chicken na nasa. So magpa-add on ka ng soup. Okay.
Pareho tayong A.
May soup.
With soup.
With soup. Pwede, pwede. Ah, ito pala yung mga side dishes. Bacon, mac and cheese, coleslaw, corn, carrots. Magpopo...
Corn carrots lang ako.
Okay, sana yung chicken. Kaso, purgado na ako ng chicken eh.
Pwede rin naman ako mag-chicken.
Magchi-chicken ka. Gusto mo mag-chicken?
Oo, yung plate A.
Plate A? Quarter chicken plate A. Okay. Tapos meron kang isang side dish saka additional na soup. Sige.
Isang
Ikaw-
side dish with soup din. Diba?
With soup. Okay. Ikaw na lang tumawag ng ano. Ano inumin mo? Mango passion fruit.
Ano yun na?
Mango passion fruit na isang picture. One picture.
Pwede.
Isang quarter chicken plate A. Ano pong available na side dishes? Ano nasa likod?
Wala na sa lasa.
Wala nang mashed potato.
Corn and carrots.
Corn and carrots. And then, isang solo ribs plate A. Ang side dish, honey glazed maple potato. Saka, dalawang cheesy ba? Or chunky green chicken.
Ang sarap sa bulan ng utensils.
Parehong cheesy na lang. Ano na lang po, isang picture ng mango passion fruit.
Isang carrots, isang celery, isang ramen, isang mango passion fruit na naman.
Thank you. Nauwi kami sa Peri Peri dahil nawala na kami ng number sa Jiangnan. Unfortunately. Naubusan tayo ng number sa Jiangnan. Kaya dito tayo nauwi. Chicken! Tapos wala na silang soup. Tapos ang tagal. Nag-chat ako nun kay Rain nung umorder na tayo eh. That was 7:50 and it's 8:18. Has it been what?
Almost 30.
Almost 30 minutes of waiting. exotic. I like it. Okay siya. Sarap na. Sayang lang, walang coke. Mas masarap kung meron.
Magbabalo rin.
Sabihin mo tayo.
Pali 1,042.
Yes po.
Thank you po.
Tapos mo lahat ng tissue. Thank you. Thank you po. Five minutes na. Yes! Masarap ka? Sobra. Laging nang sobra. Ewan ko, bakit? Lakas ko kasi daw kumain. Di, last time kasi, samgyup. Ngayon naman chicken. Well, may chicken din sa samgyup last time. So, malalaki nga yung cut ng chicken dun eh. Saan tayo punta? Tignan natin kung makakapag-grocery pa tayo. Tignan namin if makakapag-grocery pa kami. Also, hindi may babaan dyan. Also, binilan kita ng gloves, di ba? Pangligo.
Nasaan yun?
Inabot ko sa'yo. Ala, nandun yun sa baba sa may mga basket. Bigyan kita ng gloves pangligo, tapos yung gloves na nandun, yun pa ring deteriorating na gloves. Anyway. Solve. Palibre ako na. Hindi ba doon? Doon. Libre na ka? Sure ka, ayaw mo ng, ice cream? Ayaw mo ng ice cream? Ano kayo eh? Guilty pleasure. So, bumili ng alcohol. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Nagula. Ano ba dito na ba? Alcohol. Hindi ko nga lang maamoy. So dahil napagsarahan kami ngayon, hindi ako nakakuha ng DQ. Ang goal ngayon ay kumuha ng sundae. Paano na yung lungkot? Paano yung lungkot? So, kawawa. Parang nagpa-beautiful eyes pa nga siya eh. Baby, come here. Baby. You might be thinking, bakit kami nasa McDo? Kakakain lang namin. That is because gusto ko ng ice cream. Tapos napagsara na kami ng ending. Pagsara. Kasi late na. Ano na, time check, 9:15. Napagsara na kami ng ending. Hindi na ako makakapag-DQ. So, magpa-flurry na lang ako. And then, kailangan bilan ng mga chicken nuggets. Yung kaso dito. Binalamin sila ng 10 pieces na chicken nuggets. Yung 5 kay Yoshi. Yung 5 sa kanya. He's looking. He's looking. Mainit ata. Mainit ata. Hatiin mo kaya, ma? Sinabihin siya, oh. Aww. Basta. Bye-bye! Bye! Nagutom yung customer ko. Napahinto kami sa Jollibee. Good morning!
Morning. Breakfast time.
Breakfast time?
Yeah, early breakfast.
What time?
Gutom na kasi yung bulat ko.
Yeah. Sarap. Wow. Ako naman ay yum burger with fries. Kain ng mga panggabi. With
Ano ba?
peach mango pie. Let's eat. Madam, nabusog ka ba, madam?
Sakto lang.
Ah, hindi na sobra ngayon ha, last. Sabi niya, every time noon na kumakain kami, palagi siyang sobrang busog. So ngayon, sakto na lang. Well done. We're here! Today is my grandma's supposedly 89th birthday. Well, not today, on the 14th. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to celebrate that in her tomb. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sorry kung kami na lang yung kumain ng Jollibee for you. Kasi hindi mo na yun makakain dyan. Alam ko si tita yung nakamotor eh. What if mag-aral si tita magmotor? Palagay mo. Thank you po! Nandun pa. Ah, nag-zumba sila. Kaya pala sabi niya, nandito siya. Nag-walking. Ayun na si tita.
Kala ko nakamotor ko.
Oh, akala. Sabi sa'yo eh, wag mamamotor siya eh. Inumin? Wala.
Sabi ka ba?
Wali kasi si Fiona ata itong may ibang nag-hot choco. Ay, hindi.
Paano umuulan sa amin? Sobrang lakas. Paano ano?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Pero malapit na. May nagsusumad na. Ba, mahangin? Tara.
Lagyan ko dalawa po.
Okay. Tuma ka?
Yung mga kasama mo sabi. Hinintay ka na hinintay na kayo ni Ali.
Oo, kasi nag-walking pala sila. Nagkita kami dito.
Ah. Pero hindi kayo magkakasama talaga.
Masakit na yan.
Kaya sampay mo yun? Sali tayo.
Dalawa nga itong bulaklak ko eh. Alam mo, nasunog. Nasunog nung naiwanan ko na ano.
Nasunog ng kandila?
Oo, naiwanan. May umalis kasi ako dahil ano na. So sabi ko, ha, nawala yung isang bulaklak.
Inabot na kami ng ulan. Hindi na kami masyado nagstay. Kasi hindi naman dumating yung mga tito ko. And uulan. Sa bahay na lang kami nila tita. Sorry, ang ganda ng place. Ew. Alam nila merong magbibigay eh. Uy, dito tayo may mabibigay. Sino may mga buntot nila? Pwede ba sila niyan? Minsan. Luna! Wank. Ang bilis tawagin, eh, oh. Yung buntot. Hello! Tunay ka mukha ko. Kailangan maglugay din ako.
Wala akong braces.
Ay, ano ka? Perfect kasi yung ngipin niya eh. Sa akin kasi bako-bako. Wait, kailangan pala tayo ng smile.
Ha?
Pareho tayo ng smile.
Tagal na ka.
Ay, ano ba yung obsession ng movie?
Hindi ko pa nga napapanood eh.
You should! You should! No, 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 no! You can't do that! Luna! Oops!
Lagi niyang paborito yan si Skippy. Ayaw nila kay Luna kasi nangangagat.
Ah.
Nang pa-play bite, natatakot sila.
Hindi naman
Eh, si
nangangagat yan
Skippy,
eh.
malambing.
Luna.
Tapos sinasabi niya, Tita, Pedro, biling ko na to. Bago, magkano? 500.
500. Ano ka? Dog food ka ba? Dog food ka ba?
Ganyan lang naman yan. Pero ano yan eh. Malambing din niya. Parang gumakamati yan eh. Sinabi mo, parang mga ganun-ganun yan.
Kawawa pala yun eh. Yeah.
Hi, vlog.
Vlog, welcome to my guys. Papakita mo yung pecs mo sa vlog ko. Flex ka nga oh. Yun!
Ano lang to? Push.
Yun! Ano ba yun? Parang skeleton system. Sorry. Sorry, I meant that.
Now.
Mag-iwala na isang ilaw, Pedor. No. Hindi, sa loob.
Hindi ako nakapag-charge ng cam. Is this the first time you're gonna be here?
Yes.
Hi!
We did have that like makeup video back.
Oh, that was years ago. I've checked it way,
Magna
way
ka.
back. I didn't know how to put makeup then.
Yeah.
You did.
Oh no, we did makeup together.
We did, yeah.
Yeah.
But like, not like this.
Yeah.
I'm so far away from who I was before. Don't you think? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi. I'm Gail.
What do you do?
Come up with some bullshit.
How often do you come up with some bull?
Every day.
Every day. That's great.
Mostly for I don't want to say.
Mostly for corporate stuff.
Yes.
And how much percentage is for corporate and how much is for self-fulfillment?
Haven't done the self-fulfillment in a while. Maybe you should check in on that. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Great. Do you want to plug in your channels? Do you want to plug in
Art,
Instagram art account?
yes. Art for bagels everywhere.
We're gonna link it in the
Click the link below to go to my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Follow if you'd like D&D, K-pop, especially gay people in K-pop.
And drag queens.
Yes,
Do you want to showcase your makeup?
this is very close.
Sorry.
But yeah, it's yellow to match the yellow flowers. Wearing Revlon Candy Rose on my lips.
Oh wow.
And then a very old MAC palette for everything else.
Oh wow.
Since 2019, so it's like 7 years.
Damn, you're on.
Yeah.
I'm Unker.
We're off and chopped.
Yes. Sorry. At least we're cracked regularly.
Ay,
Ay, ano ba?
Yeah. Thank you. That's it. End of the shameless plug.
Yes.
See you later.
Tanong ko kung ano, kung ilan kayo nakapila.
Sasabihin mo kay Tita. You want me to come? Come. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot. This girly pop is melted. Really? Oh, I don't believe that. I think they're taking like, oh my god. This is insane.
Tatanong pa daw ko.
Walk-ins. First come, first serve. Damn. This queue is insane. You're holding a fan, I'm holding a can.
Ay, hindi ba na siya namin yan? Ay! Yes, ma'am, sir. Ay, nga, sabi ni Di ba rin namin?
Part 2.
Ala, naku. Ako nga, nahirapan ako ubusin eh.
Oh my god, I feel like dying. Sakit dyan ko.
We just had a meal.
The biggest meal.
I don't think I will eat for 10 more years.
For 11 more years for me. Because yung zipper ko, I had one of my I had one of my zippers. No, I only have one zipper.
Yeah.
I had my zipper undone because it's too much. This beach ate too much. Yes.
All of us did. Do you want to take a photo?
Here?
Yeah.
I don't want to take a photo. Yeah, it's just a video. I told you there were bears.
Okay, well-
We can just like take a video of the whole thing. Look at that. For the roof. I kind of like it though. Look at this.
That's for me in the future. What are we in the back? It's giving.
Oh yeah.
It's giving haunted Victorian home. Wala ka paper, tablecloth. You good? That really got you.
Sorry, I was laughing too hard at that. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's so pretty. That's tablecloth. I like that in my wedding dress.
This is like the type of stuff that I include in my
In your-
Roblox Bloxburg builds or The Sims. Anything gold plated.
Ito parang rose gold siya. Kind of, but like orangey. More golden than rose.
It's giving House of Versailles.
Oh, did I see like an Olivia reference from that?
Mostly just like French.
Oh, French. Okay.
But yeah, I think she done that.
Yeah.
I want to listen to her new album in full.
Oh, I cried in her album. I had a video out.
Oh yeah, that one I saw.
Oh yeah, I cried in that.
Yung sa The Cure ba yun?
Sa, hindi, ano siya, Honeybee. I'm going back to the, I'm going back
Huwag
to,
na tayo din.
huwag tayo sa mga mug kasi natatawa ako. Check.
What are those?
Shoes from,
Shoes from SM Department Store. Pants from the thrift store. Belt from my dad.
top
Top
from,
Green Hills. Earrings that I made myself. Bag from my
oh you
mom.
did? You did? Show it.
Yeah.
Showcase that.
Yeah, I just bought butterfly charms and made an earring out of it.
Insane. Look at that.
Yes,
Talented
sir.
girl.
Oh, a bracelet from
let's
Shopee.
let's do the whole thing.
It's
Let's go.
a fan from SM.
we don't support corporations, but
Yeah.
this is
Feel.
top is from Pen Shop, bag is from Bag Smart, pants is from I forgot Shopee I think, and I don't freaking remember. Yeah, I think my shoes are from Shopee as well. A full flip. Full flip of Lego.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Where did those boogers go?
I don't know. Let's find them. Best impulse buy is my headband. And you got a what? You got a crown.
For no reason.
Love that.
Just indulgence.
Love that. Looks good on you. Also because your color, you're wearing yellow.
Yes.
Looks
I
nice.
have so many cute dresses at home.
Yeah. And I just got this because why not? Oh, good. Huwag mo yan sabihin.
Ay. We're tired na.
Wala.
Go home.
Green. Album. Record this. Bagong bayad.
Stream sila sa and Girls and Boys by me.
Okay, I get the point. I'll listen to it. Listen to You Seem Pretty Sad for a Girl So In Love album.
Speaking of,
Yeah. Yeah, that reminds me. Copyright tong video ko.
input ka na lang ng random
Ng background, yes. Do you consider today as a success? Yeah. Debatable. Bakit yung tono mo is like, debatable. Grabe, minalat ako. Kakatawa kanina dun sa Unitop kasi may section dun ng bidet. Eh, yung kinainan namin, walang bidet. And then nakita ko yun, sabi ko, ito pala dapat natin bilhin para sa Tedoricon. Napaus ako. This is the result of that. Pauwi na kami. About to travel for 2 hours? Or more? 2 to 3 hours to get back home. Wow, sunflower. I look like a sunflower. Ano? Para ko. Inuulam natin. Bologna? Bologna. Mukha daw akong bologna. Coming from my mom. Calling me a bologna. That means I'm delicious. Anyway, lobot na yung camera ko, so I don't know how much else I can put into this upcoming vlog. But happy supposedly 98th birthday to my grandmom. Sorry. Happy supposedly 89th birthday to my grandmother in heaven. And goodbye.